Fundraising for startups, fueling your vision. Ever wondered how groundbreaking startups get off the ground? It's not just about a brilliant idea. It's about securing the funding to bring that idea to life. Let's explore the exciting world of startup fundraising. Venture capital, VC, is funding provided by firms to small, early-stage companies with perceived high growth potential. Think of it as rocket fuel for your startup. VCs invest large sums in exchange for equity, meaning they own a piece of your company. VCs aren't just handing out money, they're strategic partners. They bring expertise, connections, and guidance to help your startup scale rapidly. Securing VC funding is a rigorous process, requiring a compelling business plan and a strong team. Angel investors are high net worth individuals who invest their own money in startups. They often invest smaller amounts than VCs, typically in the seed or early stages. Angel investors can be invaluable mentors, offering experience and networks. Finding angel investors often involves networking and pitching your idea to investor groups. They are usually more flexible than VCs, but still expect a return on their investment. Building a strong relationship with your angel investor is key. Crowdfunding platforms allow you to raise money from a large number of people, typically through online campaigns. It's a great way to validate your idea and build a community around your product. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo are popular choices. Crowdfunding isn't just about raising money, it's about marketing and building brand awareness. A successful campaign requires a compelling story, engaging visuals, and a clear value proposition. It can also provide valuable feedback from potential customers. Selecting the right funding option depends on your startup's stage, needs, and goals. Venture capital is ideal for high-growth companies seeking rapid expansion. Angel investors provide early-stage support and mentorship. Crowdfunding is perfect for validating ideas and building community. Carefully consider the pros and cons of each option before making a decision. Research potential investors, prepare a solid pitch, and be ready to answer tough questions. The right funding can be the difference between success and failure. Ready to take your startup to the next level? Download our free guide on startup funding strategies to learn more about each option and how to prepare a winning pitch deck. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on entrepreneurship and business growth. Don't forget to share this video with fellow entrepreneurs.